Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing CloudBoy from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve up and back down in the center. And then curve it down and out on both sides. And then another curve out and back in. And then connect it at the bottom with the curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes with 2 circles. And then add another circle inside on the top left. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw a curve for the mouth. Now let's hop underneath and let's start drawing the body. Let's draw 2 small lines down for the neck, and then a curved V-shape underneath. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve, and then 2 angles down in the center. And then bring it down on both sides for the collar. Now underneath the collar, let's draw a curve down, and then angle it out underneath. Now at the bottom, let's curve it in, leaving a gap in the center. And then a curve across in the middle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the stripe pattern. Let's draw 1 line down in the center. And then 2 more on both sides. And that's it for the torso. Next, underneath, let's draw the legs. From both sides, let's start with a small angle out like this. And then a longer one underneath. Now from the top line, let's draw a curve up. Then let's curve it down. And then bring it back in to close off the legs. Next, let's hop inside, and from the top, let's draw another curve down. And then 1 more inside on the legs. And that's it for the legs and feet. Now let's move back in and let's draw the arms. Let's start next to the collar and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. Now let's continue it on the other side of the foot by bringing it out and curving it down. And now let's add another shorter curve underneath. Now for the hands at the ends, we'll start with a curve up and back down like this. And another curve underneath. Now underneath, let's add the fingers. From the outside, let's draw a curve down and in. Now let's curve it down and back up like this. Now top back up to the wrist and let's draw a wavy line down. And curve it back in underneath. Now on top, let's draw another curve out and back in for the next finger. And then one more smaller one on top. And that's it for CloudBoy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!